Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. We have some exciting news. Okay, so Gasoline Trader looking good. We have an update coming soon for that. But I just have been testing out this new automated strategy. Okay, I have access to it. It's not mine. It's not my main developers. It's a different one. Been testing it out this morning, and you can see just from today we're up $7,300 on it. Okay, now it does trade 20 contracts. Yes, it's on Sim. I'm just testing it out. Up $7,300. Okay, and it's called the Minute Bot. Okay, it's from HFT Algo. If you wanted to check it out, right? But yeah, up $7,300 from this morning, and we can go back and look at the trades. It only traded from market open for about 3 hours. So it does very small scalps with the ATM. It really depends on your ATM strategy, right? So 20 contracts here, 50 tick stop loss, 5, 10, 15 on the take profits. Okay, so you can see got trade there, win, trade there, win, trade there, win. All these trades were basically full wins. If you did take a loss, it would be like probably a $4,000 or $5,000 loss. But it does win most of the time, right? And you can see there's a lot of trades this morning, and they were all winners. All winners, up 7,300. Very exciting stuff. And I've been doing some testing with it, right? So let me pull up not my school stuff, but my Google Doc. I've been doing some testing with it. And here we go. So I'm doing some testing with this. Can't really find too much connection with this software and news. I've just done some previous testing, and I'm not sure, these playbacks aren't fully accurate because they're so long ago. Yeah, October 1st to 6th week made $11,000 profit. That was a non-farm payroll week. October 8th to 20th made about 10K. That was a CPI PPI week. 18th to 23rd about a 4K. That's FOMC week. Looks like unemployment claims week is pretty bad. So yeah, unemployment claims week, $1,500 loss here, about a $9,500 loss here. Another CPI PPI week minus 8,800, and a non-farm payroll week minus 9,500. So trying to find some correlation in the news and all that. And I also tested out just a 5-tick TP and a 50-tick stop loss, which obviously it hits the TP like 99% of the time, but if it doesn't, it cuts out too many trades. Yeah, it's working good there. Working good so far. I mean, if you don't trade these unemployment claim weeks, then you're actually up pretty good. But obviously on an eval, you'd want to scale these contracts back, right? Because you can't allow that threshold to bite you. But yeah, definitely something that I'm going to be continuing to test out, right? Better to test it in a live environment than playback. So that's what I'm going to be doing this week, is just running it in Sim and keep seeing what's going on. But $7,300 a day, even if you only did 10 contracts instead of 20, so you're that's probably more ideal realistically. That'd still be $3,500, $3,600 a day, which is really good. And this is fully automated too. I don't know if I mentioned that, but fully automated. I just literally turned it on and let it run this morning for a couple hours, and there you go. So yeah, if you guys are interested in it, just leave some comments down below. I'm sure the actual dev will be in the comments watching this video, and yeah, we can probably hook you guys up, but still in testing with it. It's not fully done to my understanding. But yeah, it's exciting stuff, and yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in it. I'll see you guys.